Hello, everyone. Hi there. Today, June 3rd, 2021, we are going to describe, but in this case, we are going to describe not people, we are going to describe accessories. Accessories, Miss Anai. Yes, we are going to see some words related to that, and we are going to ask and answer questions describing those. But pay attention here. In this case, we are going to use the WH question with what? Remember the previous class we were asking which one is your mother, which one is your father, because we were describing people. In this case, we continue describing, but we are going to describe accessories, how they are. But let's see first the new vocabulary related to accessories. Let's see here. As you can see here in this picture, there is a watch. Let's see here. It says 12:43 p.m. Friday, Friday. But what is that, Miss Danai? Watch. Watch. One more time, watch. In this picture, you can see, oh, look here, this, so nice. What is that? Necklace, necklace, necklace. So here we have a necklace. You put that on your neck. You put the necklace on your neck. What else? Oh, look here. That it's a belt, belt, belt. As you can see, these words are singular. I can say 2 watches, 3 necklaces, 5 belts. Let's see what more do we have. In this case, here we have, oh, what color is this? Green. But what is that? So, glove. What are those? Glove. In this case, listen. This word is in singular. Well, let me tell you, not. They are not in singular. That is a plural word. In this case, glass. Glass, Miss Anai? No, glasses. Oh, yes, but yes, and at the same time, no. Why? Because in this case, it's a sunglass. Because you use this kind of glasses when the sun is out there and you are on the street. So, sunglasses to cover your eyes from the sun. What else? Look here, this butterfly. So what are those? Those are earrings. Earrings. As you can see here, these words are not singular. They are plural. Okay? A pair of gloves, sunglasses, earrings. Earrings. Good. Now we are going to use those words, those new vocabularies in questions and answers. Let's see here. As you can see here in this picture, there is a belt. Belt. Let's see. Belt. And now it's time to ask. It's time to ask. In this case, the question says, what does the, oh, what is that? The teacher have already mentioned. That's right, belt. What does the belt look like? What does the belt look like? Well, the belt is, oh, but it says it's. It's. So in this case, we are going to use the pronoun. Remember that this is a pronoun to replace the word belt. So we answer it's small. What can I say about this belt? What does the belt look like? Look, it's long. It's long and what else? What else? What else? Green. It's green. So one more time. It's long and green. And we can say, and what are we doing here? What are we doing? We are describing this belt. We are describing using some adjective like, for example, long and green. It's long and green. Now, Miss Anai, why is there a rectangle round the word does? Well, in this case, I want you to pay attention to this word, does. That's it's an auxiliary, and we use that because the word belt is in singular, and this word affects this auxiliary. So we know that the word belt, it's a singular. Look here, it says it's the same, it's equal to an object. It replaces, in this case, an object. So this pronoun express that it's a singular thing, right? So we use this auxiliary does because of belt, because it's singular. Now we are going to see another example about that. So one more time, the question is, what does the, but in this case, there is not a belt, that is a necklace, necklace. What does the necklace look like? What does the necklace look like? So in this case, we can say it's new. It's new and what else? Pink. In this case, we can use another adjective too. We can say it's long or it's small or it's old. In this case, I am using, according to what I see, that it's new and pink. Now, one more time, remember that we are using that is an auxiliary. Auxiliary. That's because we are describing the necklace, and this word is singular, right? So one more time, remember, it's. It is a pronoun we use in singular things. So one more time, it's new. We are describing the necklace. It's new and pink. Oh, wow, so nice. That it's a necklace? No, of course not. In this case, we see a watch. What does the watch look like? What does the watch, in this case, we are describing this object, this accessory. What does the watch look like? Let's see. It's, what can we say? It's big. It's big. And what else? What else? Is blue. Is blue. Okay, in this case, It's big and blue. It's big and blue. So one more time. Remember that the word watch, it's a singular word. So we use the auxiliary does. Pay attention because you will see a little change in the next question. No, what is that? That is a glove. Oh, sorry, what is not? What are those? Or what are those? What are these? Well, those are gloves. Let's see. So look here the question. What do, hold on. But the previous question says, what does? And now the question says, what do? There is something strange here. Let's see together. So we continue. What do the gloves look like? What do the gloves look like? They are small. They are small and yellow. But there is another thing strange too here. Now we are saying there. But in the previous question we said it's. Something strange. Something strange. Oh, look here. This square. In the word do, well, the auxiliary. So in this case, please pay attention. The word glove, it's an object, it's an accessory, we know that, but that word is not singular, it's plural. So this word affect the auxiliary does. And instead of using does, we are using do. What do the gloves look like? One more time. What do the gloves look like? And this word affect the pronoun two. We are not talking about one. We are talking about a pair of one and two. So we use the correct pronoun to express and describe this glove. So we use they. In this case, their. One more time, their. They are small and yellow. They are small and yellow. So now remember that the word, well, the pronoun they, we use to express an object. But in this case, singular. Do you think it's singular? That's right. That's right. Excellent. It's not singular. They are expressing the plural. That's right. Plural. Excellent. Plural. So here we have. Remember that yes, singular exists singular in English, but when we express the singular, we use another pronoun. That pronoun is it. But in this case, to express the plural, we use the pronoun they. Remember, when we use plural words, plural nouns, those words affect the auxiliary and affect the pronoun. Another example here. What do you think? How will be the question? What does or what do? That's right. In this case, the question one more time is what do? Because sunglasses is a plural word. Okay, so what do the sunglasses look like? What do the sunglasses look like? So the answer is there. They're, what can we say about this? They're new. We are using an adjective. We are using auxiliaries. We are using nouns. We are using pronouns. So we are using many things to express things in English. So one more time, we continue answering this question. What do the sunglasses look like? They're new and green. And green. That's right. So one more time. Remember, please, that when we are talking about things that are singular, we use the auxiliary does. But in this case, we are asking about a plural word, in this case, sunglasses. And we use the auxiliary do. What do the sunglasses look like? They're new and green. They're new and green. Well, little boys and girls, that's all for today. It was a nice class. Many of you were participating, and that's important for me. Now remember that there are some little activities at the platform. Remember to read the description and send it what it says. See you the next class, and don't forget, take care.